Hey gearheads, if you're building a 1955, 1956, or 1957 Chevy, and you want modern handling without losing that classic Tri-5 style, today's upgrade is something you're gonna want to check out. This is the CPP Pro-Touring Kit Stage 2, and it's designed to completely transform the suspension and handling of your classic Chevy. What is the CPP PTK system? CPP's PTK Pro-Touring Kit systems are designed to take classic cars and bring them into the modern performance world. These kits combine suspension geometry improvements, stronger components, and modern adjustable dampers to dramatically improve handling, stability, and ride quality. The Stage 2 kit is a perfect balance between performance and tunability, making it ideal for street cars, weekend cruisers, and even autocross builds. Here's what comes in the kit: totally tubular upper and lower control arms, front double adjustable coilover kit, rear dual adjustable aluminum shocks, front Pro-Touring sway bar, rear Pro-Touring sway bar, rear leaf springs with drop options. These components work together to dramatically improve suspension geometry and overall control. One of the key features of this kit is CPP's totally tubular control arms. These arms are built with heavy-duty tubing and high-performance bushings designed for strength, durability, and improved suspension travel. Compared to factory-stamped arms, they provide better geometry, extra caster for power steering, and more precise handling. This Stage 2 kit also includes double adjustable coilovers up front. This allows you to tune both rebound and compression so you can dial in the ride for comfortable cruising, aggressive cornering, or even autocross performance. It's the kind of adjustability you'd expect from modern performance suspension. The front and rear Pro-Touring sway bars reduce body roll and dramatically improve stability through corners. This means your Tri-5 Chevy will feel more planted, more responsive, and much more confident on the road. Another big benefit is the stance. The kit includes drop leaf spring options, so you can achieve a 2-inch or 3-inch drop, giving your car that aggressive pro-touring look while still maintaining ride quality. So if you're building a Tri-5 Chevy, this is one of the best ways to bring modern suspension performance to your classic ride. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.